Welcome to the show how to switch on or off screen touches into a screen recorder in your ASUS ROG Phone 6. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil, scroll down, find in this block this button, and then press and hold like this and drag to top for add. And when we add, click back for save, and now tap onto our screen recorder button, and here we got start our screen record two options, and one of this is show visual feedback. If we tap on this option, we can change, for example, touches, touch tracks, and touch tracks, and none. So if we wanna, for example, touches and touch tracks, select this and it's saved automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.